They say that the Fulani Heřdsmán don't send a message to ESN, say that anything wey they like may they do, they must enter Southeast and settle in Southeast. Wow, interesting. My people, welcome back to Balabas gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring you update of wetin dey happen for inside the Nigeria as e be like this. They say that one Fulani on a viral video for inside TikTok don talk outside say the ESN dey buy their cow, and for the cow wey dey buy, say they go pay for it. No be only that, they also talk so many things, say that their cow are just animal why the ESN dey buy their cow. But they forget, another way around, they forget that the cow dey enter inside people farm, dey chop people something, and the same Fulanis wey dey carry AK, dey carry people enter inside bush go dey buy them. Why you dey talk for your own side? Why you no dey talk of the people wey you dey make them cry every time? I go play una the video so more una watch and hear wetin these Fulanis dey talk for inside TikTok. So watch the video before we come back and proceed.
Today's date is 13th April 2024. ESN Anambra Command is.
This is what you people, when we are telling you, you Eastern Security, you people are evil. Because if not evil, nobody can come and meet animals. Those cows where you are killing, they are animals. They are not human beings. I remember Fulani is not the problem of Nigeria. And Fulani is not the problem of BiafraLand. As the way where you people are assessing them, killing their property. Remember, God, the Almighty God is watching you. Whatever you did, if you like, do a good thing or bad thing. That is the evil that make them arrest Nnamdi Kanu, because he is in the jail. Remember all this property where you are killing, and our brothers where you people are killing. The last time, we have thank God, the thing is paining us, but nothing what you will do. Who God bless, he is already blessed. And what God have already said. God has already blessed us. And this thing, all the damages what you people are doing us, we have already reported in God. And God will judge you people. And God, whatever you did us, God will revenge for us. We don't have the power to go and fight on our back. But God has the power to fight you people. And remember, it is just how many weeks, upper last 2 weeks, when Nnamdi Kanu, una leaders, is coming out on this thing, in the court, when him come court, he is crying, say DSS want to kill him. And is it only him have life? Is it only him? When I'm posting these videos, some people, even some of our brothers, they are thinking whether I'm just wanted to find trouble between Igbos and Fulanis. No, Igbos, they are the one who is finding us trouble. They can come and meet our property, begin killing it, begin shooting our cows. Is that a good thing? Please, remember we are all human beings and we are all Nigerians. To fight your freedom, you are free to go and fight your freedom. But stop fighting Fulani. Fulani is not the problem of Nigeria, and Fulani is not the problem of East. If you want to go and fight the government, you are free to fight the government. And the government said it's free to fight you. We are not government. We are poor. And that is the only thing we need. This is our cows. And here is where God say we should go and feed. And you, this thing, your farmland, is where God say you should go and feed. So please, let us be united. Let us build our country fine. If you want to find your freedom, go out and find your freedom. But stop disturbing Fulani. If you don't want them, tell them they to leave your land. They can leave. It is not by force, okay? I remember that this land where you are seeing, you are not the owner of the land. God who created the land, he is looking you. And we have told you, Allah is between us and you, Eastern Security. Well, hey,
Okay, welcome back. She don't hear about this particular one. Let me play you the second video for you to hear wetin this one talk as well.
Say no to Fulani. Fulani must leave BiafraLand. They are
okay. Only evil mean Biafra. Before I start, I may like to ask you guys to save this video, because I know some of you guys or many of Biafran, they are illiterate, they are not well educated. Save this video, run to your neighbor and ask them ask them to translate it to you guys. I swear to Almighty God, even you people have separate your nation, mean Biafra. You must see Fulani in your land. You must, that one is compulsory. Fulani is either you separate this land, you separate your own Biafra. Wallahi, Fulani must go there. Compulsory. Fulanis are not your mate. We are not your mate. We are not your mate. Fulanis are not your problem. Why you guys like you are out of your sense? Fulanis are not your problem. You are fighting with the government and still now you are still fighting with the Fulani. They play. You guys are wasting your time. Oh. Allah, I swear to Almighty God, even you people spread this nation, you must see Fulani in your land, Biafra, you must see Fulani. I swear to God. This is what I promise to you guys.
Immediately when he drop this video, now some Biafras still come outside, come tell him. If he no say in get sense, make him come inside BiafraLand, come they talk these things when they talk for him mouth. And here waiting in reply to that person.
If you are not afraid, come to Biafra and say it. Oh my God, look at this keyboard warrior. It is very, very taboo for a Biafra. It is very, very taboo for a Biafra. If I say Biafra, I do not say Igbo, because I know many Igbos that are not supporting Biafra. And I know many other tribes, Hausa, Fulani, Yorubas, that are supporting Biafra. They are uncountable. But why you people like you are out of your sense, you Biafra? You are killing innocent Fulani, even their animals. You are killing their animals, imagine. And you are saying, you are claiming that you are fighting for your nation. Is that how they are fighting for their nation? You are fighting for your freedom. You guys are fighting government and now you are fighting Fulani. What's that mean? What it mean? I don't understand. I'm totally confused now. Serious. What happened? Biafra, what's going on? Please tell us. Update, please tell us. You are killing innocent Fulani. Okay, if Fulani men spoil your farm, arrest them now. Take them to your kingdom. Tell them to pay it back. They will pay. But stop killing them. Stop killing their animals. It is not good. It is totally bad. You people are fighting for your freedom, for your nation, and now you are fighting against one tribe, which is Fulani. So it is not. It is totally wrong. It is totally wrong. I confuse Allah. Serious. Stop it, please. Stop it. Stop it. Fight for your freedom. Okay, keep fighting. We don't care. We don't have your time. We don't have your time. Just keep fighting for your freedom. We don't have your time. But stop killing innocent Fulani. Stop it, please. Stop it.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, so this are the messages where the Funanis they sent across TikTok as we talk right now. They are now pretending they are the one where the thing they pain so much. That's who is feeling the pain. But the thing is that what of those people where they carry your cow, they enter inside their farm where they borrow money, take to. If they carry the farm, they go and the people they clap for you people. Or now people know they talk anything. So why can't you carry the farm, go your village, go they do cow for inside your village, or beat somebody on a get land, then they buy the food and stop beginning to Southeast. They use them, they destroy people own as soon as claim for inside this video. But however, I will leave my wonderful people, may they contribute to put to, and may they tell us their own opinion and also share the video as it they happen. Make sure say you share this video so that other people need to see them. Other people need to come talk put for inside the matter, because our people waiting for TikTok don't reply them as well for there. Let them know say make they know they carry this cow, they enter inside people farm, because people don't cry for every part of Nigeria. When they carry cow, they enter there, the cow they eat people crop and nothing the government to do. So the updates where we get 2 days ago is that the Nigeria government and the Nigeria army go inside that particular bush where they look for ESN, where they chase out these people for inside people farm. What an interesting something. So that means the government are supporting what they are doing. If the government will go and say, hey, stop pushing them, that means you people are the one who is telling them to take cow and enter their farm. The way the north they farm now, so will they farm. So why when I know they carry the cow, they chop the crop where they for north, the tomatoes, the onion, the all the whole thing that is planting in the north. Why are you bringing it to east? That you don't want the southeast to have to survive with their own agricultural products they produce by their own self. You see, the first video that we just post, this is the clear of what is happening, what that man is saying. That is what is happening here as well. So my people, I will leave you to contribute and share the video and leave your own opinion for inside comment section. Thank you so much for watching.